If God has planted that dream in your heart, naniniwala ako kahit ilang taon pa yan, magpapatuloy yan. But only if hindi ka din susuko. Only if you have the persistence. Naniniwala ko lahat ng pangarap natin mahirap i-abutin eh. So, I have a lot of aspiring authors. Gusto ko magsulat ng libro, Sa page namin, I also want to write a book. And then it ends there. I said, I have a free coaching. I have a coaching program. They don't want to attend. Lack of time, lack of money. Then, full of excuses. But what she have, I saw, is that her dream of writing a book is bigger than her excuses, is bigger than her obstacles. Now, working in Israel as a caregiver, minsan nagsiself-pity, nagsiself-doubt, she took all of that and achieved her dream of writing a book. Ito na siya. Ito na yung kanyang libro. I'd like to honor her for this because you know what? Yung pag-honor mo pala ng dream mo, malaking bagay yon. You never know the people you will influence just because you put yourself out there, just because finulfill mo yung dream ni God para sa'yo.